If your client no longer has a bio hairline, then locating a proper position for the hairline is crucial. It is the factor that determines 90% of the success of the toupee installation. To locate your client's hairline, you will need an eyeliner or a washable pen, a comb. Method 1. Use 4 fingers to locate hairline. Put 4 fingers right above your client's eyebrows, laying your pinky finger across your client's eyebrow, and marking the area where your index finger falls. A normal hairline for a mature male usually forms a U shape, and begins 2.4 inches, 6 cm to 3.2 inches, 8 cm above the eyebrows. Besides, the average hand breadth, 4 fingers, was 79.4 mm, 83.6 mm for males and 75.2 mm for females. Therefore, this method doesn't work well on people with lower hairline. Method 2. Find the connection of the forehead and cranial tissue. To use this method, you'll need your client to work with you. Ask your client to raise his eyebrows as high as he can without tilting his head back. Gently run your index finger up the center of your client's forehead and find the line where you feel the soft facial tissue meets the firm cranial tissue. Marking the front center point, use an eyeliner or washable marker to make a small dot just above your finger. Right behind this dot is where you'll place the front center of your client's hair system. This method will provide you a more accurate position of your client's hairline.